Now let's take a closer look at step 1, understanding business objectives and needs. This step is about identifying how AI fits into the organization to accelerate strategic goals. On this one, I find Gartner's AI Opportunity Radar, a powerful tool that helps organizations map out where and how AI can be applied. It evaluates opportunities across two key dimensions. First, consider where AI will be used. Will it support internal operations, such as automating workflows and improving efficiency? Or will it enhance external customer-facing activities like personalization and service delivery? Second, think about how AI will be used. Gartner categorizes AI into two high-level types: everyday AI, which boosts productivity by helping people work faster and more efficiently at existing tasks; game-changing AI, which drives creativity and innovation, enabling new products, services, or capabilities that can disrupt industries and redefine business models. In essence, when we define how AI fits into your organization, it involves choosing the right mix of internal versus external applications and everyday versus game-changing use cases. Investment expectations also play a role. Everyday AI tools are generally low cost and easy to adopt, helping organizations keep pace with industry standards. However, they rarely offer a sustainable competitive advantage. In contrast, tailored and custom-built AI solutions, though more expensive and slower to implement, can deliver significant strategic value. Then there is a noted different point of view. While 73% of CIOs plan to increase AI investment in 2024, CFOs remain cautious, with 67% say digital investments have underperformed. So this is an area of misalignment to look out for. To ensure realistic and impactful AI use cases, Gartner recommends evaluating each opportunity based on two magnitudes. Want to learn more? Check out our full course on Udemy today. You'll find the link and details in the description.